All right. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Marie and I'm from Debutify. And I'm here to talk to you guys about one of my favorite topics, marketing. Of course, I'm a marketing girly, and if I have to tell you guys all about marketing, I will be geeking out about you guys for marketing. So, in today's webinar, we're going to be discussing some essential strategies that you can use to take your e-com business to the next level. And by the way, this is the fourth part of our webinar series on how to create your own e-commerce business by Debutify. And for those of you who don't know, Debutify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that helps e-com businesses like you to build, optimize, and grow your online business stores. We've got a ton of awesome tools and add-ons that you can feature and that you can use to make your e-commerce journey a whole lot easier and of course, convert those viewers into sales. But enough about that. Let's start with our webinar. And first of all, whenever we're starting with marketing, what I like to tell people is that have some ideas first. So here are some ideas that you can use for e-com marketing. First up, let's talk about niche marketing. Okay, now I know you've probably heard about this a million times, like find your niche, blah, blah, blah. But trust me when I say that it's really, really important to find your niche and to stick with it. When you narrow down your focus to a specific niche, you'll be able to tailor your marketing efforts to a more targeted audience, and that can result in more sales and a very much loyal customer base. And of course, also try influencer marketing. This is a strategy that not a lot of e-com businesses are using, but it can be incredibly effective. By partnering with influencers who have a strong following in your niche, you can reach a wider audience and build trust with potential customers. Another idea is for e-commerce marketing to do cross-platform promotion. This means promoting your products on multiple channels such as social media, email, and website. By doing this, you'll be able to reach people who might not have found you otherwise, and you'll be able to reinforce your brand message across multiple touchpoints. Lastly, let's talk about personalized marketing. This is all about using data to create customized experiences for your customers. By analyzing consumer behavior and preferences, you can create targeted marketing campaigns that speak directly to their needs and interests. Now that you have some ideas about it, here are some essential strategies that I use that you should also implement. First up, SEO. This is all about optimizing your website, your content, so that everything shows up whenever they search, not just in Google, but also on TikTok, on Instagram. Everything there has to be search engine optimized. By using keywords and creating high quality content, you can improve your chances of ranking higher and attracting more traffic to your website. Next is social media marketing. This is a no-brainer. Obviously, I'm also a social media girly. Social media is one of the best ways to reach your audience and build brand awareness. By creating engaging content and interacting with your followers, you can build a community around your brand and increase your reach. Email marketing is another essential e-commerce marketing strategy. And by building an email list and sending targeted campaigns to your subscribers, you can keep your audience engaged and informed about your products and promotions. And last but not least, we've got content marketing. This is all about creating high quality informative content that helps to build your brand and establish you as an authority in your niche. By creating blog posts, videos, other type of content, photos, whatever, you can attract more traffic to your website and build a loyal following. And while we're here in this topic, let's talk about the use of tech we have for e-com marketing, right? Let's first talk about chatbots. A chatbot is a computer program that simulates conversations with human users. Nowadays, chatbots are commonly used for e-com businesses to provide customer support 24/7. But imagine having someone to answer your customers' questions even during the middle of the night. That's the power of chatbots, and you should definitely include that in your websites. And by implementing chatbots, you'll not only be able to increase customer satisfaction, but also reduce the workload of your customer service team. Plus, it gives business a modern and innovative edge that customers will appreciate. And of course, our favorite, artificial intelligence or AI. It's one of the hottest trends in tech nowadays. I mean, we've all heard of ChatGPT, right? For e-com businesses, AI can provide many benefits such as predictive analytics, personalized marketing, and better customer experience. So with AI, you can analyze vast amounts of data in real time and provide personalized recommendations to customers. You can also use AI to automate tasks such as inventory management and order processing, making your business more efficient. So if you want to stay ahead of the competition, it's super essential to implement AI in your e-com business. And did you know like that mobile devices account for over half of global website traffic? So you have to make sure that your website is mobile optimized. Mobile optimization means making your website mobile friendly and ensuring that it's very easy to navigate. And also you have to make sure that it loads quickly and has a responsive design. With mobile optimization, you'll provide a better user experience for your customers, which can lead to increased engagement and higher conversion rates. So if you want to succeed in e-commerce, make sure that your website is mobile friendly. Wow, okay, that we've talked a lot today and we've discussed the importance of niche marketing, influencer marketing, cross-platform promotions, and personalized marketing strategy. Also talked about SEO, social media marketing, email marketing. So make sure that you have that in your marketing strategies. Lastly, before I go, I'd like to remind you guys of that Debutify offers many webinars like this that can help you increase and improve your e-com business. And we're also offering a 14-day free trial of Debutify, so you can try it out, see if you like it, and I'm pretty sure you are gonna like it. And it also offers more than 50 plus add-ons to help you really convert those website viewers. So you can try it risk-free. I mean, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these e-com marketing tactics right now and watch your business grow. My name is Marie, and I'll see you guys again in the next webinar. Bye.